Hello everyone, welcome to Nuer Tube. Today, listen, we are going to talk about some Nuer English basic phrases. At this left side, you can see English basic phrases, and at this right side, you can see Nuer language basic phrases. These are sentences, and these are Doprini in Tognat. If you are new to my channel, before we proceed, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be able to access any new video that I will be uploading. In today lesson, we are going to talk about these simple basic phrases that I translate into Tognat or thok or Nuer language. Let's start this. I am going to sleep now because I am really tired. I am going to sleep now because I am really tired. When you want to say this sentence in Tognat or in your language, you can say it. En watoj ko en chachuj. En watoj ko en chachuj. I am going to sleep now because I'm really tired. En watoj ko en chachuj. Some of the things that you need to understand is sleep. Sleep means touch. Okay? Sleep means touch. And tired means chuj. When you are exhausted. In Tungnad we said choch or chuch. I am going to sleep now because I'm really tired. En watoi ko en chachuch. Going mean w. In this basic sentence here, or in this way, you can say wa. Going when you want to go or you want to move. We say hen wa. En mean I. I am. Hen. Going. Wa. Sleep mean torch. I am going to sleep now because I am really tired. And wa torch ko en chachuj. Number 2. After finishing this chapter, I am going to sleep. Kakor keme wa shoga metuk en bawa torch. Kakor keme wa shoga metuk en bawa torch. After finishing this chapter, I am going to sleep. You can see here, I am going mean wa. Okay? Going. Wa in Tongnat. After finishing this chapter, I am going to sleep. The same things here, I am going to sleep. And wa touch. But in this way we say after finishing. After finishing mean kakor kami. After kakor. So I think this is basically simple way of saying in Tognat kakor wa after finishing. After finishing this chapter, I am going to sleep. Kakor wa chiogametuk and bawtoj. Number 3. I am going to sleep early tonight to feel rested for tomorrow. And bamal watoj and worry kalwang kakwiruna. And bamal watoj and worry kalwang kakwiruna. And bamalo touch and worry kalwang kakwiruna. And bamalo touch and worry kalwang kakwiruna. I am going to sleep early tonight to feel rested for tomorrow. Tomorrow mean rune. I am going to sleep early tonight to feel rested for tomorrow. And bamalo touch and worry kalwang kakwiruna. Number 4. I am going to sleep so soon. I am going to sleep soon so I can wake up early. I'm going to sleep soon so I can wake up early. You can say this in Tongnat. En ba malotoj kapet ko de roda maljech. De roda maljech. En ba malotoj kapet ko de roda maljech. I am going to sleep in my room tonight as usual. En ba toj re duel en ware shit kamen wen. En ba toj re duel en ware shit kamen wen. I'm going to sleep after I finish my work. En ba toj kakor kamishan tokalat. Or mission tokalade. You can say enbo toika korka mission tokalade. I'm going to sleep after I finish my work. So please, I would like you to mimic this or keep on repeating this simple exercise so that it can help you to easy the way you can communicate in Tognat. Like I said earlier, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to click the notification bell so that you can be able to get any new video that I will be uploading in this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.